Welcome, dear viewers. This is MTI Chowdhury, Head Teacher, FENIGA Academy. The subject is English second paper for the learners of classes 6 to 10. Viewers, now listen to the song and try to understand its lyrics. What's the main lyric of the song? Match your answer with the following. Answer: we shall overcome someday. Dear viewers, the lyric is a full sentence or speech. Now count how many parts or words there are in the speech. We shall overcome someday. Part number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we see 4 parts. Of course, there may be different number of parts or words in a speech. For example, I love you. Let's count how many parts or words there are in this favorite speech or sentence. Part number 1, 2 and 3. 3 parts or words. Who succeeded? This speech has only 2 parts or words. Answer to the above question: I. This speech has only 1 part or word, and it's the smallest speech as well as the smallest word or part of a speech. Hurrah! Jim got the first prize and he instantly showed it to his parents. This speech has 14 parts or words. Every word or part of every speech has an individual, that is a separate function. According to different functions, the words or parts of speech are classified into different kinds. Dear viewers, so our today's topic is word classes or parts of speech. Learning outcomes. After the learners have finished the lesson, they will be able to define word classes or parts of speech. Classify word classes or parts of speech. Give some examples of speeches or sentences having different number of words or parts. Word means a meaningful set of letters, that is A, B, C, D, E, etc. Class means type or kinds or varieties or pattern. The plural form classes means types or kinds or varieties or patterns, etc. So, word classes means types or kinds or varieties or patterns of a meaningful sets of letters of a sentence. In another name, part means portion. In plural, parts means portions. Speech means sentence. As of is a relating word, parts of speech means portions of a sentence. Viewers, let's come to the point of view and define word classes or parts of speech as decision. Every word in a sentence is called a word class or part of speech. By the way, all the words in a sentence are called word classes or parts of speech. The word class or part of speech of any word is identified by its function in a sentence, not by its isolated meaning. According to functions in different sentences, all the words of English language are mainly divided into 8 kinds or classes. The 8 word classes or 8 classes of parts of speech. Serial number 1, noun. 2, pronoun. 3, adjective. 4, verb. 5, adverb. 6, preposition. 7, conjunction. And 8, interjection. Now, flashback to the gist. Word class or part of speech. Every word in a sentence is called a word class or part of speech. Word classes or parts of speech. All the words in a sentence are called word classes or parts of speech. The word class or part of speech of any word is identified by its function in a sentence, not by its isolated meaning. According to functions in different sentences, all the words of English language are mainly divided into 8 classes. The 8 word classes or 8 classes of parts of speech: 1, noun. 2, pronoun. 3, adjective. 4, verb. 5, adverb. 6, preposition. 7, conjunction. And 8, interjection. Now, help yourself. Which is your evaluation? Classwork khata is to be used. Time 5 minutes. Question number 1. How many classes of parts of speech are there in English? Question 2. What are the classes of parts of speech? Answer to the question number 1. In English, there are dash classes of parts of speech. You will write the full answer, that is the complete answer, in your classwork khata. Answer to the question number 2. The classes of parts of speech are: serial number 1, noun. And then you will write the other classes. 2, dash, similarly 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Note down your homework in your classwork khata. Write 10 sentences having different Write 10 sentences having different numbers of words. Give the numbers of words in brackets at the last of the sentences. The first sample is done here. Start writing. Parts number 1. No, sorry, 2. Here's a mistake. It is 2. It will be 2. Okay, here the composing mistake. In the place of 1, it will be 2. Read the sample answers after writing, but not before writing. See you again.